back, channel KNUCKLESTV. Knuckles coming at you today, man. We are out here on a ride. Today is September 3rd. Matter of fact, today's my brother's birthday. Happy birthday, brother. And we're out here riding with the OG crew of the Saddle Sore 1000, man. But we got a couple of new guys out here as well, man. So, but we're going to eat at BB Lemons. Hey, y'all been to BB Lemons before? Nah. No? First time too? Yes, sir. First time? What's going on, bro? I'm Jay, by the way.
Knuckles, man.
What is it? Knuckles?
Knuckles,
yes,
nice to meet you,
Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. So, yeah, man, we're going to ride out to BB Lemons for some brunch. They invited us out, so we're going to ride out there and see how it is. We ain't never been out here either, so it's going to be pretty cool, man. But we got, of course, the brother-in-law, man. You always know the brother-in-law rolling tight. And then we got Miguel, man. So I met Miguel on the road. Old Cat Daddy pulled up next to me and told me, he was like, hey man, I follow you on Instagram. I said, well fuck man, thank you, I appreciate that. And told him if you wanted to hook up, let me know, because we were gonna go riding today. So he ended up joining us. And Miguel, tell us what you got, bro. What you riding here, bro?
Road Glide ST.
Road Glide ST. 22? 22 ST, man. So you've only had it, you said a year, yeah? About a year. So that's dope, man. Rolling nice, man. I love them STs. Love them STs. So looking good. And then we got Youngblood around here somewhere. Youngblood's back in the group again.
Probably getting food.
Huh? Probably getting food. And then we got some more road glides over here, man. Just rolling tight. I think even Sarge is supposed to be coming today as well, so he should be here. But yeah, man, it ought to be a nice little group, and hopefully a good little place, a little spot to go eat. Like I said, I ain't never been out there. I think it's on Washington, right? Is what they said. So BB Lemons, man, y'all look it up, and if you get a chance, go check it out. So we're gonna ride out there and we'll show you exactly what it looks like whenever we get there. See you in a little bit. Peace. Kinfolk, BB Lemon. We're about to go inside, check it out, man. Good little group today. It's just hot as shit. But we're about to go in here and see what it's all about, man. So let's go check it out. Oh, and I don't know if y'all knew, but Mello's with us too today. He's doing my videoing. So let's go inside.
They sell milk over in the cow?
Thank you. I got a patio out here. Shit, look at this. Nice. Pretty cool. The what?
The egg hamburgers, you know what I'm talking about?
Oh yeah. Like a hangover burger?
Yeah, so give me that vibe. Yeah, he's had eggplant discovery. It's cornbread waffle.
Lemon chicken wrap.
I thought about getting that.
Baby got the smash burger.
Thanks, Benedict.
Sarge got a burger. Yeah. Then you got, ooh, eggs Benedict.
Yep.
And then what you say?
This is cornbread waffle with pulled pork and an egg.
Ah, dang. Here we got the regular hamburger. Miguel, what'd you get? Smash burger too?
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's the butt burger.
I'll bring you some ranch as well.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Can I get
All right, let's get it. Kinfolk, we ended up coming out to this mural right here, man. We're gonna take a couple pictures here, over here by the Success Rice silos. So we came out here a long time ago, man. We did a mural run, and all this used to be murals right here as well. They've got some more over there, so we're gonna go over there next. But that video was a long time ago, and we had all these bikes over here and stuff. It was pretty dope. But yeah, we're gonna get some pictures right here, man. Check this out, and then go to the next one. So see.